Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I have another home bargains haul, the biggest home bargains shop I've ever done. I'm actually looking around me and feeling a little bit intimidated by the amount of things I've actually picked up. Some essential, some Christmassy bits, and some gifts for people as well. Please subscribe if you haven't done already. I would really appreciate it. But yes, let's get straight on into this haul so I can show you everything that I picked up this time. This picture frame with the black border. I really like the contrast between black and white, and because all of my walls are white, should have actually got two. I don't have my receipt with me, I don't know where it is, but I do remember that this was £3.99, which I thought was really good for an A3. So yeah, really happy with that. Okay, the next thing I got is something that I actually got last year for someone else. So, and they really liked it. They really liked the mug. It's really sturdy and solid. And it has little Christmas trees on it as well. It also comes with a pair of socks and a pack of hot chocolate at the back. I guess because they liked it so much, I bought it again for someone else this year. That was £1.99. If you'd watched my previous home bargains haul, you'd seen that I picked up these Nan biscuits, stem ginger and chocolate chip, gluten-free and not gluten-free. But yeah, these were about roughly around the £1.10 or 20 mark. So yeah, got two of those. I picked up two candles. One is for me and one isn't. This one is clean linen scented and smells amazing. And it's by the brand Wickford & Co. I've got their candles before, and yeah, they're very fragrant and they last a while as well. So that will, it says 95 hours burning time. I also picked up this bergamot, geranium and amber candle, and this is actually part of a gift that I'm putting together for someone. Yeah, this is really nice as well. Sadly, I won't be keeping this one. I picked up some organic apple cider vinegar. Got not one, but 3 bottles of this. So we use this a lot and it goes really quick in this house because we use it to clean our fruit and vegetables. I think this was around the £1.20 mark. So really inexpensive. They are 500 millilitres a bottle. I'm really happy to be stocked up on these. Something else that's a gift, Cadbury's Dairy Milk chocolate fingers. I know it says family pack on the box, however, I'm sure the person I'm giving this to will have no trouble finishing them on their own. I've not started wrapping just yet, so I had to pick up a roll of wrapping paper. This is 4 meters long and it's brown beige with gold Christmas trees. I remember I got something similar last year. I think it was brown paper with green trees, so I guess I'm not really changing much. Hopefully this will give me the kick I need to start wrapping. But a day before I went to Home Bargains, I actually saw this on Amazon for around £6 or £7. I've been needing a new extension cable for a little while. I was really chuffed when I saw this in Home Bargains, and I remember that this was £3.99. It's 2 meters long and it has 4 sockets, which I thought was really good considering that I was about to pay £7 on Amazon. Got it for way cheaper in Home Bargains, so really pleased with that. Picked up 2 bottles of hand soap, was running low. It's chamomile and vitamin E. And then this one is neroli and sandalwood. I opened this one already and it smells amazing, and it's really moisturizing as well. It doesn't strip your hands of like your natural oils. It actually adds a little something. So really like this. This was £1 I believe, and this was £1.20 or £1.29. We were really proactive with decorating early this year. However, we have still not put a wreath on the door. What we tend to do is we buy one that is pretty plain and then just add our own bits. Got some cinnamon sticks, dried orange, and we picked up some gold bells. So yeah, we thought these would be really nice to add to the wreath. Hopefully we can get it done soon because I mean, I don't know what's taking us so long. I haven't found one that's plain, but I think at this rate we're just gonna have to go with anything because Christmas is literally around the corner. So yeah, we need to get a move on. Okay, so we picked up these little owls. So we've got one white one and then one brown. So you could either put these on the tree or you could just like put them up on the shelves. I don't know yet what I'm gonna do, whether I put them on the tree or on the shelves. My spirit animal is an owl, so I always tend to get owl decor pieces, and I thought this would look really cute, so I got 2. And I just thought they were really cute. They're both asleep. So the sticker's actually on these, and these were £2.49. Okay, I've tried so many different face sponges. These are by far the best. Biodegradable face and body cleansing sponges. They're a really good materials. They don't break down and like disintegrate. They're not too rough, and then they're not too soft. They're just right. So I just think they are amazing. And they were 69p each. So I got 3 of them. And then I also picked up this muslin facial cloth, which I haven't used before. I can't see how I would go wrong with that. And this was about 70-80p. So I had to restock on those. So I needed a new tablecloth, so I picked up this one. And it's like a kind of beigey gold colour with reindeer. So really simple, 132 centimetres to 229. Tasha actually said that it looks like it's for an older person's home, which I thought was quite rude, but I like it anyway. And that, I believe, was £5. Okay, the next thing I got is something else, again, that will be part of a gift. It's these really cozy socks. And they've got fleece on the inside as well. But yeah, really nice. They've got little reindeers on and pom-poms. And these were £2.50. Another gift item, this is a set of 3 clay masks, and you also get the spatula brush thing that you apply on. It's got turmeric and vitamin C in. I thought it'd be really nice for someone. These were, I think, £1.99 or £2.99. I don't remember exactly. Another boring but essential item, tissues. Always need tissues in your bag. Used these before, cannot complain. 10-pack of tissues. I absolutely love Tiger Balm. We use Tiger Balm in this house for everything. Headaches, stomach aches, time of the month, you name it. We use Tiger Balm. So of course I had to stock up on these, and they were roughly around £3.49, which I think if you get it from like a standard chemist or Boots or Superdrug, I think they're around £4 or £5. Swear by Tiger Balm. Like, honestly, if you haven't tried it, here is your sign. Something else that I swear by are these intensive hand creams, hand and nail creams by Camille. Something else I absolutely love. Natural chamomile extract, aloe vera and avocado oil. I swear, these are like one of the most nourishing, moisturizing, intensive hand creams you could ever use. They are amazing. I love them. I get them every single time I go to Homebargains. I have to restock on hand cream, and they're only £1 each, which is a steal. But yes, love these Camille hand creams. Okay, picked up a scrub mummy, and we got a snowman shape. So really festive. So these are really rough on one side and then soft on the other. However, once you wet them, this kind of like loosens a bit, so it doesn't scratch any surfaces or dishes that you use. Definitely an essential to have in your kitchen. So if you have not tried these, again, another sign. I picked up some batteries. So in my Decorate for Christmas with Me, I switched on some of my lights that I had not switched on since last year, and I noticed that they needed a little reviving. So I picked up some batteries by Panasonic, and you get 8 in a pack. And I think these were actually £2. I remember a year or 2 ago, chocolate spoons and chocolate stirrers were quite popular. So these are peppermint Belgian dark chocolate stirrers. Add it to a cup of milk, stir it in, and then you kind of have like a makeshift hot chocolate basically. So yeah, these were 90p, I believe. They were definitely under £1. So I got some of those. Something else that's part of a gift. So this mini easel, which is really cute. For someone who is really arty and likes to draw and paint, and this was definitely under £1. So yeah, really cute. Another boring but essential, washing up gloves, cleaning gloves, a 2-pack of those. These were under £2 for sure. Some more cleaning sponges, really basic, a 6-pack. I believe these were £1 or £1.25. Another simple kitchen essential. So Tash actually picked these up, so I'm not sure of the price. 10 paper cups and 15 paper napkins. but really cute. They've got little reindeers on them. How sweet. Not sure where the other one is right now, but we got 2 of these, and we thought we'd do like a gingerbread house or a gingerbread man competition, and each have a pack, so the same colours, and I guess decorate the house or the gingerbread man, and then see who wins. I might actually film that and show you guys the process, and then you can decide who wins. Got some kitchen towels by the brand Buffalo, 200 sheets per roll. I actually picked these up, so I'm not sure the price of these. But yeah, they're really thick and absorbent. I like this brand. Another essential. Got a gift bag, which was 79 pence. Really nice and festive. Astonish disinfectant, which you dilute with water and then just use it on your surfaces, and it's in the scent Morning Dew. Oh, it really does smell fresh. It smells like pine, actually. And last but not least, I picked up this 2-tier serving board. I'm not going to use this as a serving board. I've actually seen someone I follow made this into like a coffee/hot chocolate stand. So I think I'm going to probably do something similar. Again, that's something that I may film and show you guys if I can get my act together. This is what it looks like. This was £9.99. That's everything that I picked up from Homebargains this time. I really hope you enjoyed this haul. Thank you so much for watching. And if you haven't done already, please subscribe. It would really help my channel out. And of course, I'll see you in my next video. Bye everyone.